This 2022 Coachmen Leprechaun 260DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Norman, Oklahoma, 73072 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used coachman and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab. This 2022 Coachmen Leprechaun 260DS is built on a Ford 450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.